Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'll be showing how to make this beautiful crochet flower. For that I'm taking some weight 4 yarn. This is an anti-pill yarn, a crochet hook. The hook must be compatible with your yarn size, and then you may need some pearls like this to attach in the middle, a tapestry needle or a big eye needle like this, and keep a scissor handy. So let's get started. Wrap the yarn around your finger 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After wrapping for 10 times, insert the hook underneath the yarn like this. And now slowly take all the loops outside. Grab this loop and make a slip knot. After making a slip knot, we will make single crochets inside this circle. So this is the first single crochet, second one, third one, fourth one, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After making 15 single crochet, we will slip stitch here in this chain gap. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop and make a slip stitch. So after slip stitching, pull a lengthy loop like this and we will make a puff stitch like this. So for that, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Again yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop. Repeat this for 6 times. Third one, fourth one, fifth one and sixth one. After repeating this for 6 times, push the handle of the hook slightly upwards and the hook must be facing downwards. Now yarn over and pull through all the loop at once. And then lock the puff, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Slowly remove the yarn out to secure your work. We just need to weave this tail. So for that you can use tapestry needle or you can do it with your hook. Just trim the excess yarn. This finishes 1 petal, so we need to make 5 petals. So make 4 more petals and then I will get back to you. After making 5 petals, take some long length of yarn and then insert it inside a tapestry needle or a big eye needle. And now arrange them properly and sew them together one by one. So this is the first petal. Similarly, the second petal. Third petal. fourth petal, the fifth petal, after inserting all the 5 petals, we will tie them together with a permanent knot and add this pearl at the middle. Bring them closer to each other and then tie a permanent knot like this. After tying them together, arrange it properly. Use the long length of yarn to insert the pearl. So, insert the needle from back side of the flower. Insert the pearl. Place it properly and then tie those two ends together. You can use these two tails to attach your flower on your project, or you can trim it and use it as a flower. Thank you.